Saturday we're at Whittle and a member of the public has found this bee eater. Appears to be shot on the right wing.
This golden oriole was picked up yesterday, the 19th of April 2020, by a member of the public. It does have an injury to its wing, likely from a gunshot. We will take it to the vets today and they'll determine if they can help it. This turtle dove was found yesterday on the 19th of April at Mazib by a member of BirdLife. Unfortunately, it does seem to have gunshot wounds to the wing, and it will be taken to the vet today to determine whether or not it can be helped.
This common kestrel was found on 20th of April in Malta by a member of public. It appears to have an injury to its left wing. We will take it to our governmental vet that will decide if this kestrel can be rehabilitated and returned back into wild.
This turtle dove was picked up this morning. It's the 20th of April 2020. Unfortunately, as you can see, there's a serious injury to its right wing, likely from a gunshot wound. We will take this to the vets today and they will decide what the next best thing for it is.
This common kestrel was found on 20th of April by a member of public in Tal Ibrash, and it appears to have an injury to its right wing. We're going to take it to the governmental vet that will decide if it can be rehabilitated.
So here is another shot-protected turtle dove. This bird was picked up by a member of the public yesterday on the 20th of April. This bird was found in Binjima, and the bird has seen the government vet where it's been confirmed shot, and there's actually a lead pellet embedded in the abdomen. Luckily, this bird has been recommended for rehabilitation, so hopefully we will get this bird back out into the wild.
This turtle dove was found on 20th of April in Midzip by a member of public. It appears to have an injury to its left wing. We will take it to the governmental vet that will decide if this bird can be rehabilitated and returned back into wild.
Today is the 21st of April 2020. We received a report of an injured turtle dove from a member of the public, which was found in Maliha Bay. And unfortunately, this bird has multiple wounds. You can see one on the side of the wing here, and another one at the base of the tail. So you'll have to take it to the vet, and she will see if we can rehabilitate this bird.
We are at the Limara, and we've had shots, mostly barrages of 3, and we have vulnerable species. You can hear shots in the background. This is the European turtle dove, protected by law, cannot be hunted in the spring. Right now all we're witnessing is shots, majority at turtle doves.
This black kite was found today on 22nd of April 2020 in Midzip. It appears to have an injury to its left wing. We will take it to the vet that will decide the future of this bird. This Marsh Harrier was found on 22nd of April 2020 in Binjima by a member of public. Apparently we cannot see any injuries, but this bird is very thin and weak. So we're going to take it to the vet that will take an X-ray to make sure that none of the bones are broken, and that will decide what to do next.
It is Friday 24th of April 2020. I've just picked up this turtle dove from Bird Sabuja. It was found in one of the fields by the abandoned animal rescue. As you can see, one of its eyes is not looking very healthy. The rest of it seems okay. There's no injury to the wings that I can see. We'll take it to the vets this afternoon and they will see whether or not it has been shot and whether or not we can rehabilitate it. So it's the 24th of April 2020. We've just picked up this Common Kestrel from a family that found it in Zurich. We can't see any obvious injuries, but the vet will check it out just to be sure that it's okay. And then it will be decided whether it's fit for rehabilitation and release or not.
So what we have here is a Hoopoe, which was recovered from Calcara today, 24th of April, and the bird was found by people running on the ground. And as we can see, the bird has an injury to the right wing, possibly broken, that's why it's not flying, including spaces in the feathers where lead shot would have gone through. Such as here, a whole part of a tail feather missing. So this bird looks like it's been shot. This common swift was picked up this evening. It's the 24th of April 2020. We picked it up from a couple in Marsh Harrier who found it. It has an injury to its eye, as you can see. But I can't find any other injuries so far. We will take it to the vets to be sure, and they'll decide what the best thing for it is.
I hope you'll be alright. Doesn't look good.